Hey guys, Reagan Techno here. I just want to say a statement about something at my school. It's like there's like a lice outbreak, and it's like driving everyone crazy. It's like, oh my god, there's so much like lice in the school. Thankfully, I haven't got it. I have gotten checked over the past week, and I have still not got it to this day. But a ton of people in my class did. Like about 6 kids did. So, and still 3 kids aren't even here, and they got it on Thursday, and today's Monday. So it's like everyone's having it now. It's like it's so like bad, but it's so good at the same time because we're not switching classes as we always do. Like we would usually normally switch classes and bring all our books, but now it's like we have to carry these books, like carry them with our bare hands, and it's so annoying. So like, but we were supposed to do that, but then for the following week, we're not even gonna like carry. We're not even switching classes. We're literally just staying in our rooms doing fun stuff. So that's what's fun about it, but it's still kind of bad because I'll be like super scared if I have it. So, thank goodness I don't. Thank God. But if I had it, I would be like so embarrassed. I know that the kids that did are like, I bet they're embarrassed, but it's just so like, it's funny, but you can't laugh, otherwise you would get your calendar signed. In my school, you get your calendar signed, and then by the teacher, and then your parents have to sign it. So it's like really bad. So it's kind of scary too. So if we laugh, we would get our calendar signed, probably detention, and it's kind of really harsh, like this stuff. But I'm not doing that any. Well, I won't, because I know what's gonna happen. So like I know that like if I this is like I know my brother doesn't have it either, and so it's like it's so scary. So like, cause every day I go to school and then people are like absent. It's like, oh crap, they have it. So I'm like just saying that out of like random 2014 December. This is December 8th. So it all started Thursday, December what? 3rd, 4th, 4th maybe? Yeah, 4th, I think. Wait, no. No, yeah, 3rd. And yeah, so I would do the statement and drop a comment down low and see what and I'll check and see what you say. Subscribe if you like, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later.